Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm gonna give you 12 Technicolor profile for your Lightroom mobile app. So let's get started. First open any file explorer app, then copy the file. The download link will be given below in the description. Technicolor, yeah, there's 12 profile. Now select a folder and cut it to Android, data, LR mobile, files, documents, document or profile, settings, user style, and then paste it here. Okay, now minimize the app and also minimize the Lightroom if running in background. Okay, now I'm gonna open Lightroom app, select the folder. Go to profile. Okay, in profile you will find the Technicolor, this brand Technicolor. Okay, yeah, here we will see 12 Technicolor profile. Select whatever you want and enjoy it. So guys, hope you will enjoy the video. If you, then don't forget to like the video and peace.